Today we're going to do an experiment with eggs. So the materials you're going to need for this experiment is an egg, vinegar, and a cup. On to the experiment. So first you're going to put the egg in the cup, then pour vinegar on top of the egg so it's completely submerged. Once your egg is completely underwater, you're going to set a timer for 24 hours. Once it's been 24 hours, take the egg out of the vinegar and put it in a glass of water. You need to rub the shell off of the egg with the water. What the vinegar did is disintegrated the shell, so it's just the membrane holding the egg together. Once you've taken off the disintegrated shell, you can play around with the egg. You can bounce it, and you can even pop it. Thanks for watching.